ConvertKit also connects with page building systems, such as lead pages, as well as OptimizePress, the WordPress-based page building system. And to connect, you're going to go into your integrations area. You're going to click on the integration that you want to make. Now you'll see that there is no direct integration by clicking a button. So what you'll need to do is to come inside of OptimizePress. You'll then need to go to your email marketing services. You'll then want to click on ConvertKit. What you'll need then is the API key from ConvertKit. You want to come back to your account settings, grab the API key, copy it, and head back to OptimizePress. You'll then want to place the API key. You'll then click Save Settings. Now once you've done that and you are setting up your page, what you're going to need to do is to go inside of your opt-in page. What you're going to do inside of the opt-in box is you're going to choose your integration. And you're going to choose ConvertKit. And ConvertKit will automatically populate with the list that you have inside of ConvertKit. You'll then choose the list that you want to use, and then you'll do the rest of the process inside of OptimizePress as you normally would. So basically what we've done is we have integrated our ConvertKit lists into our OptimizePress system. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.